Good morning everyone. This morning I'm at my neighbour's car. It's a little, there we go, Vauxhall Corsa. It's a 1.2, so his problem is, I'll no start, so I think you'll recognise this. So I jumped into the car. As you can see, we've got the flashing security light. So what I did, I've not put the big tool on it yet, but I'm just going to do that. So I plugged into my little OBD scanner, and see, so you can see that the computer's alive. So that's the first quick check that you can make, just to see that the ECU's up and running. So I'll go and get Opcom and plug that in, but I'm pretty sure it'll be the, could it be the airbag module or the body control module again, something like that. So I'll go and plug it in and let you. So I just done a quick vehicle readout using Opcom, and you see we've got wrong environment identifier received in the ECM from, so that's B, that's the body control. So in the powertrain, so that starts with P, it's the wrong transponder key. ECM identification failed and wrong environment identified on the body control module. And then we've got an invalid signal from the body control module. So our problem is the security, which is either within the body control or the ECU. So in the probability, it's probably the body control, which I'm sure resides under there. And we can look for the ECU. Now the ECU, am I right? It's not the same on this one. It used to be on the side there, they must have moved it. I don't know where the ECU is on this one. But it's a security issue anyway, so what I'm going to do is try another key, or maybe even try coding that key back in. Maybe that's an idea. So I'll get back to you.